Hey guys, I hope you will be fine. Again, I'm here with a new video. In this video, I'm gonna teach you 10 sentences which we use in daily life. Before starting video, I request to my loyal viewers that if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon and select option all so that you can get notification of every coming video. So without wasting time, let's get start our lesson. So first sentence is no need to convince him. No need to convince him. उसे समझाने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. Second, don't bark like dog. Don't bark like dog. कुत्ते की तरह मत भौंको. 3. What's the weather like? What's the weather like? मौसम कैसा है? 4. Take your flip flop off. Take your flip flop off. अपनी चप्पल उतार दो. 5. I'm not feeling sleepy. I'm not feeling sleepy. मुझे नींद नहीं आ रही है. 6. He has nothing but money. He has nothing but money. उसके पास पैसा ही पैसा है. 7. Would you please issue a ticket for Lahore? Would you please issue a ticket for Lahore? क्या आप लाहौर की टिकट काट देंगे? 8. Don't hesitate while talking. Don't hesitate while talking. बात करते वक्त मत हिचकिचाओ. 9. Don't act pricey. Don't act pricey. इतराओ मत. The last one is 10. Have the children gone to school? Have the children gone to school? क्या बच्चे स्कूल जा चुके हैं? So guys, these were my 10 sentences. I hope you will like it. See you in next video. Have a good day. Take care. Bye bye.